Hello, my name is Cindy Fort, and I welcome you to my brief overview of my new class, Poetry, Prayer, and Paint, where we're going to learn how to creatively release some of our intense emotions of the recent past. This is the setup I'm going to be using, my sketchbook and my paints. The first thing that I did is I did a quick inventory of my emotions. And I just chose 6 emotions to think about on this particular day. I divided my paper into 6 little squares, and I was doing the emotions of anger, sadness, joy, fear, presence of God, or peace, and hope. The next part of the project is to begin painting just intuitively using the colors of the emotions of the day. I didn't realize it at the time, but my painting turned into an intercessory painting. I didn't have words for the things I was painting while I was actually in the flow of the painting process. But as I thought about what I was thinking and feeling as I painted, the words came to me when I looked at the finished piece. I want to share the prayer with you as you watch the video. But if you want to just watch the painting and form your own prayer, then just turn the volume down and watch the process unfold. Lord, help us see and know that your presence is in the entire earth. You are sovereign. You are holy. You are love, and you have released all of yourself over all of us. You have already given us, out of your divine power and love, everything we need for this life and to be holy. You've given us faith, goodness, knowledge, self-control, perseverance, godliness, and most of all, brotherly kindness and love. And the greatest gift of all that you've given us is the gift of free will. You gave it perfectly, but we have not been perfect in using it and expressing it. For my own acts in using free will in wrong ways, I ask your forgiveness. And I ask your forgiveness for others. I see their pockets of anger and pain, enabling little explosions of rage to flare up. I see the old ashes of pain and unrighteous acts that serve as a foundation to fuel all of this anger and rage. Lord, send emissaries of hope to these hurting souls and the hurting ones that they have hurt in their pain. Draw them all to your heart. Draw them all to your kingdom of peace and righteousness. I pray all hearts are softened as they draw close to you, and that they will allow your presence in, that they allow your hope in. And as your presence permeates their soul, let hope transform anger into a heart formed for your purposes. Let righteousness spring up from the earth, from the ashes of past hurts and wrongs, and let beauty come forth in all of its ways. In your name I pray. Amen.